Every December, a 50-foot spruce stands in the heart of Boston. It's decorated with thousands of lights, but this isn't a gift from a local farm. It traveled 700 miles and crossed an international border. Halifax was a vital wartime port. At the center was the Narrows, a thin bottleneck where the disaster began. The Mont-Blanc was a French munitions ship, literally a floating bomb, carrying over 2,500 tons of high explosives. The IMO was a relief ship heading to New York. It was traveling too fast and on the wrong side of the channel. For 20 minutes, the ship drifted toward the city. At 9:04 a.m., the Mont-Blanc exploded. It was the largest man-made blast before the atomic bomb. 2,000 people were killed instantly. The pressure wave was so strong it shattered windows 50 miles away and sent a 60-foot tsunami crashing into the shore. Thousands were left blinded or maimed. The survivors were in shock, wandering a landscape that no longer looked like home. Then, the unthinkable happened. The temperature plummeted to sub-zero. Survivors who were trapped under the rubble began to freeze to death. The blizzard made rescue work almost impossible, but news had reached Boston. Despite the storm, they didn't wait. They launched a relief train immediately. They fought through the drifts for 2 days. When they arrived, they brought the first outside hope Halifax had seen. Halifax never forgot. In 1918, they sent a tree to thank Boston. In 1971, that gesture became a yearly tradition. This tree is more than wood and needles. It is a living symbol of international friendship. Today, the bond is so strong that Boston's mayor travels to Nova Scotia to help harvest the tree personally. It makes a 700-mile journey, escorted by police and cheered on by school children along the route. It is the only gift of its kind, a permanent reminder of how one city saved another. Once it arrives, it takes center stage, overlooking the city that answered the call in 1917. When those lights flicker on, remember the blizzard and the blast. Remember that even in our darkest moments, humanity shows up. If you enjoyed this piece of history, subscribe to Buried Archives for more stories you won't find in textbooks. Thanks for watching.